The real question here is how much money will you make after a lead converts? What is your profitability per lead? Hey everyone, how's it going? My name is Jen Sargeant. I'm the creator of Digital Sargeant, and I'm so happy you found this video. If you found this video, that means you're more than likely a local or a small business owner that wants to learn more about digital marketing, and I'm the girl to help you do just that. Before we get into today's video all about how to decide on a budget for Facebook and Instagram ads, I kindly ask that you subscribe to my channel so when I upload new material, all with local business owners in mind to help them with their digital marketing, you'll be the first to know and you'll be the first to implement it. Okay, let's talk about today's video topic, which is all about how to decide on a budget for your Facebook and Instagram ads. Now, I'm going to keep this video rather general because there are a lot of local businesses out there, but I get this question all the time, so I thought it'd be good to make a video about it. And towards the end, I'm going to give you some tips on how to maximize and stretch your dollar for Facebook and Instagram ads specifically. But before we dive into that, let's talk about some things to ask yourself whenever you're deciding on a budget for Facebook and Instagram ads. There are a couple things that we need to keep in mind, and these are only really answers that you'll know as a business owner. So first, you'll need to know how much money will you make after you convert a lead. How many leads does it take before you convert a lead? So what's your conversion rate on your leads? And what is the lifespan of a lead? How long does it take for a lead to actually translate into a customer? And those are going to be the things that only you will know to decide on a Facebook and Instagram ads budget. Now, I've managed ads as small as $31 that has generated thousands of dollars in profits, and as much as thousands of dollars that has also generated thousands of dollars in profits. So the key question is to ask yourself those three things. Now, let's go ahead and talk about a couple of ad objectives that might help you stretch your budget. These aren't the tips that I was mentioning in the beginning of the video, by the way, those are coming soon, but let's talk about some objectives that will help you stretch your budget and help you navigate the landscape of launching an ad on Facebook and Instagram. If you want to run a Facebook story ad or an Instagram story ad, then you're going to want to look into brand awareness and reach. Those are two ways to launch those types of ads. And story ads at this moment are a little inexpensive, so you can really reach a lot of people for low cost if you know your audience and if you're doing it right. Now, keep in mind that these ads are 15 seconds long and they're video ads, and you can add a swipe up option to your website, but these ads are 15 seconds and they're Instagram and Facebook story ads specifically. And you can also make sure that you have a frequency cap on because nobody likes to see your ad 15,000 times. So make sure you add a frequency cap as well. Another type of ad budget to keep in mind, or an ad objective rather to keep in mind, is an engagement campaign. And engagement campaigns are notorious for being inexpensive and work really well on Facebook and Instagram. However, you cannot run an engagement carousel ad on Instagram, so keep that in mind, but you can run a regular engagement ad on Instagram and on Facebook, and they perform very, very well. Other ad objectives that you can keep in mind are lead ads, conversion ads, funnel ads, but keep in mind that these ads are going to be a little bit more expensive. So if you're just starting out with Facebook and Instagram ads for your local business, I would consider story ads or engagement ads if you're just getting started. The lead conversion funnel ads and things like that can be a little bit more expensive, maybe $1.50, $3, up to $15, $20 per lead. So that's definitely a more advanced ad. So some tips on how to really maximize your spend budget. But before I do, I ask kindly once again that you subscribe to my channel so when I upload new material, you'll be the first to know. And also give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And I would really like to know where you're from. So drop your city and state in the comment box below. And I would like to know where you're from so we can meet each other on that level too. So here are some tips to really maximize your budget. I'm going to give you three. Number one ad set per an audience and per location. So I typically have up to 10 ad sets in one campaign. Number two, never boost an ad directly on Facebook or on Instagram. You can get much more bang for your buck if you launch this ad in Ad Manager. And number three, make sure that you are monitoring your ad and keeping a close watch on it, because if it's not performing well, you're going to want to make adjustments. So those are the three tips to really maximize and stretch your budget. And thanks again for watching this video. Right about now, there are going to be some other videos that are popping up on the screen. I encourage you to watch them, and I hope that they give you some local business digital marketing advice as well. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.